made myself a wire cutting frame. This is nothing more than a tabletop, if you like, that I can put a fence against. The fence is just held on here with a couple of clips, and a crane arrangement across the top here to support a wire with a vertical spring, and some adjustment at the top here so that I can adjust this to in both dimensions to get the thing exactly right. Now I'm actually going to use this to start trimming down some waste polystyrene, and I'm going to trim them up to make the pieces for a glider fuselage. Now the whole thing's run on my hot wire power supply. It's actually quite a simple power supply. It's an AC power supply with a light dimmer here, on off switch and light dimmer with a control knob. Right, now the idea to glue these two halves together to form a fuselage. The slab that's coming off there is only a very few millimeters thick. Anyway, I must say I am impressed with the way that peels the slab off of there. After some carving and a little bit of gluing, I have the beginnings of a glider fuselage. So this beast is going to be a 3-channel glider. I've already manufactured the wing. The wing's made out of the same polystyrene slabs and covered in brown paper with PVA. And we're going to mount that somewhere there. Well, the plan was to make the glider today. I used the word was. It's blowing a howling gale outside. So I thought I'd just weigh things here. Bruce has got scales that show the blood. My scales are white. Right, so the wing is 239 grams. Wing and fuselage is 549 grams. And with a battery, what's the battery? 2S, 2200 2S battery. The total weight of this aircraft is 659 grams. Okay, there's a tape measure around here somewhere. There we go. Fuselage, including the motor, right the way up to the hub, is 1 metre and 6 centimetres, so that's 1060 millimetres. And the wingspan is 2 metres and 30 millimetres, so we've got a little over 2 metre wingspan. And we've got a fair bit of dihedral because I've set this up as 3-channel control: elevator, rudder and engine, throttle. And as soon as the weather calms down, we will head on out and give it a try. Just give it a throw and see what happens, eh? Incredibly twitchy to fly. But fly it does. Look at those wings folding. They're absolutely forward. It's definitely a that's nice. I just have to stop flinging the controls around. I'm flinging the controls around.
Well, you're used to the other planes.
Yeah.
This one's different.
This one's different. Need to probably put some expo in it. It's very little. There's actually a gentle breeze here, but up there it's probably blowing a howling gale in actual fact. It's not going. I think that's enough for today.
Oh.
Too windy. Enough for today. Come on, turn.
Oh God, I don't know if I'm getting it.
It's alright, doesn't matter. Ooh, drop gently in.
Yeah, it will. Yay!
Hey! Well, we got it home in one piece. Look at the crease marks. It's got crease marks right across. There's crease marks. There's none in the ends here, but there's a whole series of crease marks right here.
Oh, I don't know if you see it.
No, I probably won't. Just stand back a little bit. I'll just. Yeah. Look, it's almost it almost folded in the middle. So obviously this centre section needs some form of reinforcement out here, and then I'll recover it again. Probably put a balsa spar just through this piece between here and here. Anyway, you can actually, if you stand back there, you can actually see the flecks in the. Got a bit of wind here now. There's quite a lot of flecks in the. Anyway, we succeeded.